What's up, everybody? KG here, founder of internetmoney.io, coming at you today with a quick and easy tutorial to show you how to connect to the new PulseX front end. Have no fear, this process is quick and easy, so let's jump right into it.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it. Can't let them take this from me.
If you are not aware as to what occurred, when you go to the app.pulsex.com, where you would have previously found the ability to just swap on PulseX, what you see now is a collection of IPFS links and ways to run the PulseX code from your own computer. And if you're thinking, well, I'm not technically savvy enough to run the PulseX code from my own computer, that's okay. You don't have to. Watch how easy this is. Click this first link right here, dweb.link, and it's going to open up a new tab that has the PulseX front end that you're used to. That's literally how easy it is. Now, if you are wondering how to connect your wallet to this, today I'm going to show you the tutorial using the Internet Money wallet, which is a MetaMask alternative that is native to PulseChain. To do that, click Connect Wallet, click Wallet Connect, click View All. You can click the Internet Money logo, and if it's not there, you can simply search it. It'll take you back to your Internet Money wallet. You will click Connect, and then you can go back to PulseX, and you will see that D609, I am now connected. And then you can go about trading like you would on PulseX, providing liquidity, everything as you would have beforehand. Now, one amazing thing about the Internet Money wallet is that PulseChain is already loaded in the wallet upon download. PulseX, the token, is already loaded up for you. Most of the PulseChain ecosystem tokens are loaded up for you, so you don't have to worry about entering custom RPC settings, token addresses. There are logos for all your favorite PulseChain tokens and price tracking for all PulseChain assets as well. And as a quick reminder, if you didn't know already, the Internet Money wallet is actually the best place to swap on PulseChain right from within the app. If you click into your account, click Swap, it is going to search all the liquidity sources on PulseChain, and you will see that it's going to quote all the liquidity sources and tell you what the recommended option is based on the total amount of tokens that you will receive. That's it for this video. And like I said, it was quick, it was easy, and we got a more decentralized reality out of it. So if you ever have any questions, always feel free to join our Telegram community, which you can find on internetmoney.io. Click Join Our Community. We're always here to help you on your crypto path, education, support, and a friendly community to interact with. I'm KG, and until next time, peace.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it.